Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture of this course. In this lecture, we will discuss analysis of BJT using H parameters. The contents of this lecture are calculation of current gain, calculation of input impedance, calculation of voltage gain, calculation of power gain, and calculation of output impedance. So these are the important performance parameters for finding the importance of BJT. So we are calculating these parameters using H parameter model or hybrid parameter model. Calculation of current gain. So first performance metric is current gain, and here we are calculating current gain for bipolar junction transistor. So this is the BJT hybrid equivalent model. This model is already discussed in last lecture, and here we are calculating current gain. Current gain is nothing, it is ratio of output current to input current, and output current is the load current divided by input current is I1 current, and load current is nothing, it is minus I2. If we apply KCL equation at this point, then IL equal to minus I2. So current gain, that is always represented by AI. AI equal to minus I2 upon I1. In this loop, B2 equal to IL RL, and IL equal to minus I2. It means B2 equal to minus I2 RL. H parameter equation, that is I2 equal to HF I1 plus HO B2. So in this equation we can see I2 is here, I1 is here, but B2 is there. It means we have to replace B2 in such a way that this equation must contain I1 or I2 current. So B2 is nothing, it is minus I2 RL. By putting this value in equation 2, I2 equal to HF I1 plus HO minus I2 RL, and by simplifying this equation, AI equal to minus I2 upon I1 equal to minus HF upon 1 plus HO RL. That is the expression for current gain in case of BJT. So this current gain is valid for all types of configuration. Second parameter is input impedance. So here we are calculating input impedance. Input impedance is represented by Zi, and it is ratio of input voltage to input current equal to V1 upon I1. And by applying KVL equation in output loop, B2 equal to IL RL. IL always equal to minus I2, so B2 equal to minus I2 RL. And H parameter equation is B1 equal to HI I1 plus HR B2. And we have already calculated the current gain, that is AI equal to minus I2 upon I1, and its value is minus HF upon 1 plus HO RL. So from this expression, I2 equal to AI I1. So from equation 1 and 2, B1 equal to HI I1 plus HR, B2 is minus I2 RL, minus I2 RL. And now from equation 3 and 4, from equation 3, I2 equal to AI I1. So B1 equal to HI I1 plus HR, AI I1 RL. And input impedance Zi is B1 upon I1. It means it is HI plus HR AI RL. And by putting the value of AI, expression will be HI minus HR HF RL divided by 1 plus HO RL. That is the expression for input impedance. Next parameter is voltage gain. So voltage gain represented by AV, and it is ratio of output voltage to input voltage. Output voltage is V2, input voltage is V1, and V2 always equal to minus I2 RL. And AI current gain we have already calculated, and its value is minus HF upon 1 plus HO RL. Similarly, we have also calculated ZI. It is HI minus HR HF RL divided by 1 plus HO RL. So AI and ZI both are requiring for the calculation of voltage gain. Voltage gain AV equal to B2 upon B1, that is equal to minus I2 RL upon B1, that is equal to I2 is nothing, it is product of AI and I1. AI I1 RL divided by B1, that is equal to, now we are dividing numerator and denominator by I1. So I1 RL upon B1 divided by I1. So V1 divided by R1 is nothing, it is input impedance. So AV equal to AI RL upon ZI. So now we are simply putting the value of AI ZI in this expression. We can find the value of AV. AV equal to AI RL upon ZI, that is equal to AI is minus HF upon 1 plus HO RL, and ZI given here. We are simply placing value of ZI in this equation, and finally we solve the equation for AV. So AV is minus HF RL upon HI plus del H RL, and del H is here HI HO minus HR HF. So that is the expression for voltage gain. Next parameter is power gain. Power gain is nothing, it is the product of voltage gain and current gain, and it is represented by AP. AP equal to AV into AI. So AI we have calculated minus HF upon 1 plus HO RL. AV we have also calculated minus HF RL upon HI plus del H RL, and here del H is HI HO minus HR HF. So by simplifying this equation for AP, AP is HF square RL divided by 1 plus HO RL HI plus del H RL. That is the expression for power gain in case of BJT. The last important parameter is output impedance, and calculation of output impedance is something different. So output impedance represented as ZO, and it is ratio of output voltage to output current, and it is V2 upon I2. Here for calculation of output impedance we must consider two conditions. The source voltage must be short circuit and load resistance must be open circuit. That is the condition for calculation of output impedance. It means BS, that is the source voltage, must be short circuit and load resistance must be open circuit. So equivalent circuit is given here. So H parameter equation, I2 equal to HF I1 plus HO V2, and Z0 equal to V2 upon I2. So IT is nothing, it is HF I1 plus HO V2. Now we are applying KVL in input loop. So RS I1 plus HI I1 plus HR V2 equal to 0. RS I1 plus HI I1 plus HR V2 equal to 0. From this expression, I1 equal to minus HR V2 divided by RS plus HI. That is the equation number 3. And from equation 2 and 3, Z naught equal to V2 upon HF I1 plus HO V2, that is equal to V2 upon HF, and I1 is here minus HR V2 upon RS plus HI plus HO V2. And now we are simplifying this equation. Z naught equal to RS plus HI divided by del H plus HO RS, and here del H is HI HO minus HR HF. That is the expression for output impedance.